I got some shocking news yesterday. Someone who I really trusted really let me down. And while my first instinct was to go postal, I looked in this week's Parsha and I realized that when Moshe burns the incense on the altar, he doesn't just take a bunch of good smells, even though it's meant to be a good offering. He actually includes one terrible smell, something really stinky. And the Lubavitcher Rebbe comments on that and he says, the reason there's a bad smelling ingredient as part of the incense is because some Jews just let us down. Their actions don't do what we hope that they do. And that is still not a reason to exclude them from the community, because every single Jew, no matter what they look like on the outside, has an infinite soul that's a part of God. And because of that, we have to include them. We have to look past those inequities, and we have to say that we have faith in those Jewish people. So I'm changing my perspective, and I have faith.